I'm using my wife's computer for this video, and here's the question. Can you leave your headline blank on your LinkedIn profile? And I'm going to show you what you can do. I'm going to give you my recommendation. But before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button because I create all of these videos for you. So I'm going to edit her headline, which is right here. Here's the headline. I'm going to get rid of it. Actually, I'm going to copy it, hit the delete key, and it says it's a required field. So I can put 1 dash and hit save. And I have 1 dash. So the answer to the question is no, it cannot be blank. However, it can be as simple as 1 character. Heck, I'll make it even simpler than that. Instead of a dash, I'll put a period. And I have just a period there. A dot on the screen. Now, I'm going to put it back, and I'm going to explain to you why I think you should have it there. Why should you have it there? Because everywhere your LinkedIn profile shows up on LinkedIn, so does your headline. If I go back to the home page here, there's her headline. If I go down here, Lisa, there's her headline. Everywhere you are, there's Sid's headline. Everywhere you are, your headline shows up. Even if I do this, and I look and see who commented, let me find a comment. Here's a comment right here. And if I hover over John's name, there's his headline. His headline's right there as well, but if I hover, there's his headline on the left over here. So everywhere you go, so does your headline. And for that reason, I strongly encourage you not to leave your headline blank. Always put in your headline who you are and what you do today. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful.